Imagine a motor that runs on pure light. No fuel, no emissions, no moving parts. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Australian scientists have just brought that future closer than ever. This isn't a concept, it's real. And today we're diving into how this revolutionary breakthrough could change the world forever. In 2025, a team of Australian physicists made headlines after developing a motor powered entirely by light. That's right, no gas, no electricity, not even a battery. Just photons. The tiniest particles of light are now doing the work that usually takes engines, gears, and combustion. The motor has no moving parts, yet it can generate thrust. How? Through a phenomenon called light pressure, something predicted by Einstein over a century ago, but never harnessed like this. At the heart of this device is a special kind of nanomaterial, so thin it's just a few atoms thick. When you shine a laser on it, it starts generating movement. It's not spinning blades or pistons, it's quantum-level vibrations that produce force in a controlled direction. Think of it like a solar sail in space, but far more precise and powerful. The motor uses structured light, laser beams shaped in specific ways, to control motion on a microscopic level. Instead of fuel, we're using patterns of light to push and pull nanostructures. It's like sculpting motion out of energy. So what can we actually do with a motor like this? First off, space travel. In space, where there's no friction, even tiny amounts of thrust can move satellites forever. A light-powered motor could give satellites nearly infinite lifespan. No fuel resupply, no maintenance. Back on Earth, it could be used in tiny machines, like nanobots in medicine, or even in ultra-efficient propulsion systems for drones and robotics. And most importantly, it does all this with zero emissions. That's huge in a world racing against climate change. Right now, this technology is still in its early stages, a proof of concept, but the potential is massive. The next steps? Scaling it up, making it strong enough to drive real-world machines, integrating it into spacecraft, and finding new materials that respond even better to light. We're talking about a future where engines don't burn, they beam, where the sun itself could be our ultimate fuel source, directly powering motion without ever needing to plug in. This breakthrough reminds us that the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we invent. Powered by light, guided by science, and imagined by minds pushing boundaries. If you found this mind-blowing, hit that like button, subscribe for more breakthroughs, and tell us in the comments, what would you power with pure light?